Well friends, here's the next problem. The given problem is 3, 5, 14, 39, 88 and 169. Given options are 3, 5, 14 and 39. To solve this, first let me write the given question, that is 3, 5, 14, 39, 88 and 169. Well friends, to get 5 from 3, I should add 2. Okay. Next, to get 14, I should add 9 to what? 5. That is 5 plus 9, 14. So 39 is obtained when I add 25 to what? 14. 14 plus 25, 39. Now, 88 is obtained when I add 49 to the 39. That is 39 plus 49 is what? 88. Next, 169 is obtained when I add 81 to what? 88. That is 88 plus 81, 169. Well friends, see here. Plus 2, plus 9, plus 25, plus 49, plus 81. Now if you observe this, 9, 25, 49 and 81. Now these are nothing but the squares of odd numbers. That is square of 3, square of 5, square of 7, square of 9. So now it should have been square of 1. That is 1 square 1. When I consider this as square of 1 as 1, when I add 1 to this number, I should get it as 5. Okay. Now what I am having? 3. But if I had 4, that 4 plus 1 would be 5. That would be the right one. Now therefore, here the number 3 is what? Wrong number. Okay. Now let us check the given options. The first option itself is what? 3, which is the right answer. Well friends, we will see some more problems.